Hello friends, welcome back to Gruhni's World. Today I am going to show you healthy protein-rich Paneer Bhurji in my way, which is very simple and easy. This recipe can be prepared in no time and goes pretty well with rotis in your lunchbox or for your diet dinners. So let's get started. All colors of capsicum are completely optional. You can just go with one or two available colors. Also, you can cut into even smaller pieces so that kids will not hesitate to eat. Our healthy and colorful Paneer Bhurji is done so quickly that we can prepare simultaneously along with our rotis. Friends, try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our Gruhni's World. Thank you. Bye.